through the meadow in the morning light. You're the only flower shining red and bright, wild and free, growing where you wanna be. A little bit of magic for the world to see. The wind is blowing but you never bend. You're my secret lover and my truest friend. I don't need a garden, I don't need a rose, I just wanna be where my poppy grows. My sweet poppy, you're the one I crave, dancing like a rebel, making me your slave. My sweet poppy, blooming in the sun. Of all the flowers, you're the only one.
So sweet,
So sweet,
can't be
beat. My sweet poppy. Summer's in the air and the vibe is high. We're painting crimson